In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an e-commerce store in Woocommerce in just 5 minutes. This will be a great way to kickstart your online business right from your WordPress website. Let's dive right in and make this process as seamless and straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to open WordPress and head over to your dashboard. This is the control center of your WordPress site where you'll manage everything from content to site settings. Once on your dashboard, the next thing you need to do is locate the plugins option on the sidebar. Click on it, then select Add New. This will bring you to a page where you can search for new plugins to install. Here, we're specifically looking for the WooCommerce plugin. In the search bar, type WooCommerce. You should see WooCommerce pop up as a result. Click Install, and once the installation is complete, hit Activate. By activating WooCommerce, you're turning on the engine that will power your online store. Immediately after activation, WooCommerce will prompt you to follow a setup wizard. This wizard is a user-friendly guide that will walk you through essential store setup configurations. It covers key sections like business details, payment options, and shipping rates. Take your time as you proceed through these steps, as they're critical for getting your store's foundation in place. Now that the basics are set up, it's time to choose a theme for your store. Your theme determines how your store looks and feels to your customers. Look for a theme that aligns with your brand style and offers the features you need. WooCommerce works seamlessly with a wide range of themes, so feel free to explore and test to find the perfect fit. Next, you'll want to populate your store with products. From your dashboard, navigate to the products section and start adding your items. You need to include details like product names, descriptions, pricing, and images. Be as descriptive and clear as possible to give your customers all the information they need to make informed purchasing decisions. After setting up your products, it's crucial to configure your payment options. WooCommerce offers several ways to accept payments online, including PayPal, credit card, and even direct bank transfer. Simply choose the payment methods you wish to offer and enter the necessary settings. Finally, consider adding any essential plugins that might enhance your store's capabilities. Depending on your needs, these could range from SEO plugins to marketing, analytics, or additional payment processors. Keep in mind, each plugin adds functionality, but too many can slow your site's performance, so choose wisely. By following these steps, you're well on your way to launching a fully functional WooCommerce store. Remember, while these initial steps are set up quickly, building a quality e-commerce store is an ongoing process that involves continuous optimization and expansion. Now, go ahead and get started on creating your online store.